Hello everybody, this is a listener. Today I'm playing Roblox and I'm going to be joined with Hi.
Hello everybody, it's Hi.
And we're playing Jailbreak. And
I don't think the audience have even seen me yet. Listener, maybe you should turn around.
Wait, I'm frozen.
I'm frozen.
Yeah, this happened. Okay, we're not going to crash.
Usually we don't crash, we usually just freeze. Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Now this is me, hello.
What happened to you with your hat?
Okay, so basically, today, we are going to be policemen, but in the next episode, we're going to be criminals.
Yeah.
Prisoners first, but then criminals.
Yeah, because we're...
Well, I'm going to drive.
Okay.
I'm going to drive.
I'm gonna jump in. wait, release the rope,
Okay, I'll release the rope after I remember.
Wait, release the rope, where? E to go up, C to go up, and Q.
Go up and G to go, and Q to go.
No, G to the rope, click G.
Yeah, I just click G. Okay,
and hold, I'm on the rope now. Now let's go.
Yeah, I'll see you and listen to that.
How do I exactly get off? So there, I
launch a rocket everywhere. Watch this. Oh no, they cost money. Never mind. Yeah,
I know. But why is it magnetically on me? Where should we go?
I'm swinging you everywhere.
I'm swinging. Wait, make me hit into a building. I want to see what happens.
I think before the video it said someone was robbing the bank.
No, I think it was the jewelry store.
Yeah, that's the jewelry store.
No, but the alarms have stopped, so they haven't done... Wait, they probably went to the criminal base.
Good point. Let's go to the criminal base.
Bank robbery.
No, I just crashed.
I'll drive.
1 second, I'll fly.
Okay, I'm on.
Let's go.
Why is it connected to that? Okay, let's go to the bank.
Bank.
It's the money thing.
What's happened at the bank?
There's a robbery.
Actually, no, I just saw a helicopter. That may mean there's people there.
No, that's a criminal one, I believe.
Yeah, that's why I said there's most people. Yeah, but they have jetpacks, so I don't...
Yeah, let's go back. We need to go to the bank, though.
That's a good point. I like how I keep on pushing you into buildings. You want me to fly lower, listen at?
Oh, yes. I think I'm missing...
Oh, I just saw one. Down there. And listen, drop.
Where? Ow.
I can watch you from up here. He's behind you. Get him.
I got him, but I died. Okay,
I'll fly back to the police station.
Which one am I?
No, I just saw a bunch of...
No, I'm at the other one. I'm at the small one.
There are a bunch of criminals down here, and I sort of...
Okay, I'm gonna go back there to go help. I've got my car.
Yeah, there's about 10 criminals.
I've got like over 50,000 cash.
Should I pursue them?
I'm coming.
Police here anyway, so let's do it.
There we go. I'm here. I'm back.
I just need to click E. Yay! I got somebody for 400.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Missed. Oh no!
Get here.
I tased him. I just realised you've been already.
Listen now, I think I might have left my helicopter at the bank.
Okay, let's just leave them for a bit, because we.
No, I'm chasing one, and I'm almost here. I just need
How
to.
do we unlock the SWAT thing?
And I died.
300 Roblox bucks for the SWAT. Hey, boy, no transform. No Transformers. That looks so weird, though. Okay, I'm gonna go to our car. Actually, I'm gonna drive.
Let's fly a helicopter, and this time I'll go on the
rope. You're on the rope. If it respawned. Okay, I'll let the rope down. Get up.
This time you can smash me into buildings.
Hi.
Oh, no helicopter.
Where's the helicopter?
Well, I did crash it into the jewelry store, so...
Let's,
Hey! I'm pretty sure that's not allowed. Quick, again.
You're not allowed in here?
2 rank up.
No!
Get him!
Taser! I'm gonna tase him.
Good idea.
Got him! I got a tase!
Yeah.
You can arrest him?
No, don't shoot him!
Choose tires. Get his tires.
I'm trying to...
Do you want me to get a car? Do you want me to get you?
What's that?
Bye! Okay, let's get in our car.
Yay, good truck. These cars aren't as fast as the ones at the station.
I know, but these are still good.
I'm going to take that.
There's a donut one.
No, there's a person there. Look.
Go block him.
Shake's after him. He doesn't know that's a dead ending. Or he just got out too. I think he's got a gun as well, so we should be careful.
Okay, I'm gonna go quick.
Yeah, he's got a shotgun, I think. No, just a pistol.
Come up.
Arrest!
I got him!
Died.
Yes, I got him.
How much was he? 400.
Oh yeah, 400. It's not. How much is this? This is a Lamborghini. Should I buy the big police car, or should I save up for the Lamborghini?
Do whatever you think of this one.
I'm not sure about the big police car because that costs 40,000. But
I think if the helicopter's respawned.
No, it hasn't. Oh, there's a guy in the Lambo. Oh, and Jack?
I think so. There's some criminals in the base. I just saw some people without a prison uniform on.
Hey, eject. I ejected you. Get back.
Okay, you are definitely...
Oh, God, he's got...
What's it? 2. Hold E.
I'm gonna get you.
What? But you're...
What? No, you're getting... Okay. So we are going...
I just became a prisoner. I accidentally arrested 2 people.
For no reason.
Yeah.
Wait, you want me to help you?
Oh, 1 second, I've just become a policeman again.
Oh, I feel...
Don't forget, everybody, if this video gets liked enough, we will be making another video where we are the prisoners and we'll arrest.
Do you want me to,
not arrest them.
Hi, do you want me to get the big car? The big one?
How big?
The real big one.
Okay. And, hey, listen out, I think there's some way down here, and I just fell off a cliff and almost died.
Well...
Okay, that person has a shotgun that is definitely not allowed in the prison. Eat your arrest. Come on, come back here.
I'm not too sure about buying the car. Where is he?
1 second, I'm gonna have to go back after him. He's inside the police station. Okay, there he is.
I'll tase him. No!
Oh.
No. You ain't got nothing.
Have you arrested him yet?
I got him. I just leveled up.
Yay!
Okay, so now I'm gonna buy the new... Why is my shift button not really working?
I don't know.
It's okay though. I'm actually gonna buy this car. This big one. Do you think I should? You know I'm gonna buy. Got it. Look at my money now.
Let's see if I can fly a helicopter.
Hi. I'm in the big car now.
Yeah. You got less money than me now.
I know, it's just because I bought all of this.
How much did it cost?
40,000. But that's not, it's because the...
Jewelry robbery.
This is extremely fast.
Jewelry store robbery. Come on, Alice, let's go.
I'm stuck up, it's really fast, so it's not controlled. It's got no control.
Where are you, Alice?
I'm in. I'm gonna get in the car. Let's get in the car. Because it's gonna take a while. So, follow me.
I should drive.
No, you can't drive it.
Okay, then I'll drive my own car. I'll race you.
No, this
race you to the jewelry store.
This one's harder to control.
Yeah, that's why I think I might win the race, even though you got the faster car.
Okay, I'm gonna win it.
I don't think so. So jewelry store, right? The one that has a diamond logo.
Yeah. Oh, you really think you're gonna beat me on the race?
Primo, I'm arresting it, not you, Alice.
Did you see me just fly past?
Hey, if I tase them, does it still count?
If you tase them and then you can arrest them. But what was I gonna do?
How far does the taser reach?
But I think it's unlimited.
Okay, because I just shot somewhere with it and they didn't go down.
Jewelry store robbery has ended. The alarms aren't going off. You would hear alarms. I want to use my rocket fuel. I'm actually gonna do up my car to. Which one should I use?
Yes, I got them. Now
I'm gonna do up my new car. Do it up. Yep.
Yeah, you found your cash.
Now I click that. Okay, I've got my car done up. I've just dressed it up. I've got my. I think I'm not sure what this one's called, but I like it.
Eject. I need to eject this person from the car. They won't. They're not doing it. Come on.
So a bank robbery. I didn't get that.
I'm pressing the wrong button. That's why.
Okay, so where is the bank?
Yay! I got to level 2.
There's a bank robbery going on. So there's a helicopter. Oh, don't say it's one of these.
Listen, that I just got to level 2.
Okay, I'm already on. But I'm on level 8, so it's mainly because I played this game more. What? Why am I out here?
I'm chasing down the criminal at the moment.
Okay, I'm locked my car so no one can get in. Oi! I'm driving backwards. I'm gonna go. Oh, he's got an assault rifle. I'm out of here. Well, I think we don't have much time left. Let's see if we can get anything. Because I feel like I've got this car now, so I'm extremely. This is like the big police car. It's like the Lamborghini is more like a robber's car, but this one's more like a police.
Yay! I just got 400 cash for arresting another person.
Okay, I'm going back to the prison to see if I can get anywhere. I can do the trick that I like to do.
What?
It's basically where you stand around pretending you're AFK, and then as soon as they steal something out of your pocket, you can arrest them, even if it's your donut.
Yep.
I've got my car.
Oh,
I'll get in.
Back.
Yeah. Wait, I need to unlock it.
Random person.
Get in.
You keep on hitting me with it.
Okay, there we go. I think you're in the back. You're in the back.
Hey, look, I think it just said there, I've got some safes.
Yeah, do you want to know? Hey!
1 second, how do you see if you got...
Okay, I've got, yeah,
oh,
so you click on the safes, and, yeah.
Then I can...
This car...
Open.
Oh, there's someone there.
1 second, I'm opening a safe.
There's some vault ones.
I can just
yes, you got it. Fine.
What did I get there? It didn't say what I got.
Okay, I'm in the driver now. I'm gonna drive you into the prison.
I don't actually know what I'm getting here, but okay. Oh, I just got another...
No, there's lots of people.
Straight. Yay.
You're not allowed to be out here. Oi. Eject. And arrest. Eject. Wait, got nothing. Why is this so different?
Oh, there are criminals here.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Sorry, I just realised because I was trying to get open safes.
No, you're not getting in that car.
Oh no, why did you leave the door unlocked to this and that? It just seems like a bad idea. Quickly, arrest him.
I'm getting in.
I'm trying to arrest him. Yes, I got him. 400 cash.
Okay, so I'm gonna get my Okay, so this is the end of this video here.
Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe if you did.
And this is a listener and hi signing out. Goodbye.